Welcome to the Open World Forum 2010. I'm here with Jean-Pierre Laisné, who is the coordinator of the 2020 Roadmap workshop, which is currently having its third edition. Is that right, Jean-Pierre?
Yeah, we are third edition of this roadmap, and we are quite proud of announcing the edition today.
So can you tell me what the 2020 Roadmap is?
Basically, it's a collaborative effort to identify the impacts that free software might have on business, technology, and society, but also to evaluate the risk that this roadmap may not happen due to some constraints or other things.
Okay, so is your goal then to chart a path which you expect other people to follow, or are you an actor also in helping in the realization of this roadmap?
In fact, building this roadmap helps to solidify a common vision, okay, and work on this common goal. And that means that we get lots of inputs from different contributors, but all converging to the same way, and the target being a fair digital society.
So after this third edition, what's new? What's the state of the 2020 roadmap now?
So basically, the roadmap as we established it, the big picture we established in 2008 is still valid. I mean, still, we can still discuss it, but still valid to support the current debates. And the current debates this year has been focused on three key aspects. First one is we get back from what we said during the last one. I mean, one recommendation of 2009 edition was for Floss to be considered as a commons. Okay, and we worked on that. And to work on that, we needed some insight from real commoners. And David Bollier, who's an author about commons and an activist in commons, has provided an essay on that. Then second very important thing is, this kind of tension we still have a bit around openness and freedom. And it's even more accurate these days with cloud computing trend. Okay, and for that, we asked to Philippe Aigrin from Quadrature du Cercle and Supin Space to analyze what Mr. Moglen has exposed in Open World Forum yesterday. And we have now an essay about declouding freedom. Okay, and third thing, we think that the future is maybe not anymore in Europe or in the States, but maybe the future of what we're doing with software and usage and things like that might be in countries such as Brazil, Russia, India, and China, the so-called BRICS. And we discovered, discussing with Brazilian contributors, with different thing that yes, basically they are going that way to modernize their society. And here Michael Tiemann from Open Source Initiative and from Red Hat took the lead to collect information and to put people together. And we have this year's BRIC Floss roadmap.
So can you very quickly tell us, does the 2020 roadmap discussions, do they happen only at the Open World Forum, or is this something that continues throughout the year? How can people who perhaps aren't here this week, how can they participate in the discussion?
So in fact, 2020 Floss Roadmap is a platform where people can discuss and share comments. We use a free web service called Comment, so people can comment the essays that have been done by David Bollier, by Philippe Aigrin, and Michael Tiemann, and myself, and and thanks to their inputs, we can moderate, or we can change, or we can discuss about that. So it's open all year long. It's a long discussion. Generally, Open World Forum is the opportunity to publish it. Okay, but we discuss during the year about what we identify as potentials and as risk, and we do recommendations.
Okay. Thank you very much, Jean-Pierre.
My pleasure.
So goodbye from the Open World Forum 2010, and we'll see you soon on Intelli'N TV.